Spurge here, and in this video we're going to break down the Alpinestars Aeroshell Airflow jacket. So this is going to be kind of what we're seeing from Alpinestars with a new take on some of their urban lifestyle inspired pieces for motorcycle wear. There are also a pair of matching Aeroshell Airflow pants, which are kind of jogger inspired with a drawstring design. So you can see how this kind of fits in with this kind of look and aesthetic that Alpinestars is going for to reach out to a newer, younger, more urban audience. The jacket itself is coming in around the $260 price point, and you're going to be looking at something where if you are trying to find, maybe a step up for this, you'd be looking at something like the MoFlow. The MoFlow Air is kind of like a jacket hoodie hybrid. You could also look at the wide options available within Alpinestars lines of armored hoodies that they now have in market as well. But specifically talking to the Aeroshell Airflow, this is going to still maintain a little bit more of that jacket style look, but with a lot of stretch and comfort baked in. Now, from a sizing standpoint, Norman on my left-hand side stands at 6'3", weighs in at 220 pounds, has a 44-inch chest, and he is wearing an XL. If you are looking at the size chart for some of the more casual wear within Alpinestars line, that 44-inch chest is kind of the split between XL and 2XL. As you can see, the XL fits him spot on. Still a little bit of extra room in here if he wants to use an airbag with it, especially consider the amount of stretch that's in this material. So just keep that in mind. If you're right there between two sizes, you're probably going to want to step down. Sizes will range from an extra small to a 4XL, and there is a Stella version available, so let's see how this works with Gabrielle. So Gabrielle is 5'4", weighs 120 pounds, and has a 33-inch chest measurement. She's currently wearing a size small, and that correlates perfectly with Alpinestars' size chart. So if you're using the size chart, you should have no surprises. Okay, so from a construction standpoint, this is going to be a poly soft shell with mesh hybrid. So 1.5-inch collar, micro fleece on the back, very comfortable. A little bit of an extra bridge there to cover where the zipper comes into play. And as you work your way down, you can see where the soft shell design kind of meets the mesh. The traditional mesh is going to be the darker gray, and then the lighter gray is that soft shell design. What I like about this is you're going to see in the sleeve as well as the chest, it's that laser perforation that you're going to see from Alpinestars to allow a bit more airflow through that soft shell design. I like the fact that it kind of tapers down, so you have finer holes on the outside to like the bigger holes as you get down through. It just adds to the aesthetic of the jacket itself. Now the armor in this is going to be the Nucleon Flex armor from Alpinestars, so very comfortable, very pliable, not going to feel like you're wearing armor at all, but still giving you CE level 1 protection at the shoulders and the elbows. You can add a chest protector if you want to, and we'll get to the pocket in the back in just a moment. Now, from an overall abrasion resistance standpoint, as we work our way through that CE impact armor, the garment itself is rated CE single A for an abrasion resistance rating. Working its way down, you're going to see the traditional mesh on the inside, just a Velcro cuff with a bit of a knit to the inside of the cuff on this. Interesting design in the fact that it kind of stops a little bit short on the inside while giving you maximum protection on the outside, just to add a little bit of extra comfort there. Again, really, when you're looking at this, comfort is the name of the game. You can go ahead and set the arm down. As we look down the front of the jacket that Norman is wearing, again, you can see that laser perforation really kind of tapers down in. Love the design on this new Alpinestars logo over on the left breast, and then simple hand warmer pockets on either side. Norman, you can go ahead and face sideways for me, strike the riding position. Down the back of the arm, this is where that mesh is going to come into play. The stretch is all dependent on how far over this gets in the back. Would have loved to have seen just maybe a little bit more stretch working its way down the back of the arm just to stop some of this pull that you're seeing here. But as it stands right now, there still is an incredible amount of comfort and movement baked into this. And the same thing would have been nice to see maybe just a little Velcro adjuster at the bottom just to fine tune how the waist sits within different body types. You can go ahead and face backwards, sir. So, as we take a look down the back, there is a back protector pocket. Back protector is not included. You can see the height of the collar on this, that 1.5-inch collar goes up nice up underneath the helmet that you'd be wearing. Alpinestars logo. No reflective on this jacket, I do think there's opportunities where you can see kind of like the black highlights here where they could have done like a blacked out reflective to add a little bit more of that safety element into it. And then with the drop seat on this, you are going to see down coverage over whether you're wearing riding pants or the matching Aeroshell Airflow pants. And we'll get into just how those connect right now. Norman, go ahead and face forward for me. I'm going to have you unzip. Taking a look at the inside of this, and if you watched the video on the Aeroshell Airflow pants, you'll notice that it's just a drawstring closure. So what's unique, not to the jacket itself, you got the belt loop design here, so you can use this to kind of hold the jacket down to a belt that you're wearing, but this is also going to play into the design of the matching pants to wrap through just the two little loops that are designed into that. You also have a drawstring cinch cord, so I mentioned the Velcro adjuster on the outside. You are going to have the cinch cord on the inside, so that will give you a little bit of adjustability, and then a zipper closed pocket on the left side, and then just a top-loading Velcro pocket on the left. I'm sorry, I think this is actually a magnet, not Velcro. So if you see that right there, it's just a little magnet that's holding that closed. It is Tech Air compatible, and Norm, you can go ahead and zip up for us. So if you are looking for something that splits the difference between going like full casual riding hoodie, but you still want that comfort, this is going to be something that kind of splits that difference where you're getting a bit more of that comfort riding hoodie type aesthetic, but you're not going to have the hood flapping around behind you because, let's be honest, you're probably not going to use that hood while you're riding anyway, and that's not something that you find valuable. So this is going to be new in Alpinestars line. It really does play into that more urban aesthetic that Alpinestars is going for with some of their pieces this riding season. If you want more information on the Alpinestars Aeroshell Airflow jacket, you can always check out the product page and read all the information that's in there, as well as rider reviews from folks that are out there using this. And you can always reach out to one of our customer service reps and they can walk you through all the different jackets available to make sure you find the right jacket to match with your aesthetic, your riding style, as well as your price point. I want to thank you for joining us for this look at the Alpinestars Aeroshell Airflow jacket. I'm Spurge. Enjoy the ride.